So now let's try some examples. Let's simplify log 81 base 3. Now to solve this, we need to know the number of times you can multiply 3 to get 81. Now 3 times 3 is equal to 9, times 3 is equal to 27, times 3 is equal to 81. So we can multiply 3 4 times to get 81. So this can be written as log 3 exponent 4 base 3. So you are going to transfer the 4 behind the log, and then we have 4 log 3 base 3. Now log of the same base is equal to 1. So you are going to have 4 times 1, which is equal to 4. So log 81 base 3 is equal to 4. Let's try another example. How do we solve log 9 base 3? Now 3 times 3 is equal to 9. So we can represent this as log 3 squared base 3. And then we are going to transfer 2 behind the log, and then we have 2 into brackets log 3 base 3. Log 3 base 3 is 1, and then 2 times 1 is equal to 2. So the answer is 2. So let's try this. Log 1 over 8 base 2. Now according to indices, we can rewrite this as log 8 exponent negative 1 base 2. Now 2 cubed is equal to 8. So this can be written as log 2 exponent 3 times exponent negative 1 base 2. So the 3 is going to multiply negative 1, so that we have log 2 exponent negative 3 base 2. So we are going to transfer negative 3 behind the log, and then we have negative 3 into brackets log 2 base 2. And then we have negative 3 times 1, which is equal to negative 3. So now let's try this. What is log 6 plus log 2? Now according to the rule, log x base a plus log y base a is equal to log x times y base a. Whenever you have log without the base, then it basically means that you have log to the base 10. Now to add log of the same base, then we are going to multiply the components x and y. So in this case, we have log 6 plus log 2 giving us log 6 times 2, which is equal to 12. So our final answer is log 12. Let's take another example. How do we solve log 8 minus log 3? So because we have subtraction, then we are going to divide. So it's going to be log 8 divided by 3. And this is going to be our final answer. How do we solve log 4 plus log 6 minus log 8? This time we have addition and subtraction. So we are going to apply the two properties. So because we have addition here, it's going to be log 4 times 6 divided by 8, because we are going to subtract. Now 4 times 6 is 24. So it's going to be log 24 divided by 8. 8 goes into itself once, and then into 24 3 times. So our final answer is going to be log 3. Try this. What is 1 over 2 log 25 minus 2 log 3 plus 2 log 6? Now to solve this, we need to transfer the values behind the log to this position. So we are going to have log 25 exponent 1 over 2, and then we are going to do same for these two terms. So you are going to transfer 2 to this position, so it's going to be log 3 exponent 2 plus log 6 exponent 2. Now 25 exponent 1 over 2 is the same as the square root of 25. Square root of 25 is 5, so it's going to be log 5 minus 3 squared is 9, so we have log 9 plus 6 squared is 36, so we have log 36. Because we are going to subtract, we have 5 divided by 9, and then because we are going to add, we have times 36. 9 goes into itself once, and then into 36 4 times, and 5 times 4 is 20. So our final answer is going to be log 20. Let's solve this example. This happens to be the last example for this video. Log x plus 1 minus log x squared minus 1. You can pause the video and try to solve the answer, and unpause it when you are ready to see the answer. Because you are going to subtract, then we are going to divide x plus 1 by x squared minus 1. So it's going to be log x plus 1 divided by x squared minus 1. Now x squared minus 1 is equal to x plus 1 x minus 1. So it's finally going to be log x plus 1 divided by x plus 1 times x minus 1. Now x plus 1 cancels x plus 1, and then we have log 1 over x minus 1. According to indices, we can rewrite this as log x minus 1 exponent negative 1, and then we will transfer negative 1 behind the log, so that we have negative 1 into brackets log x minus 1, and this happens to be the final answer. If you like the content of this video, feel free to like, comment and share among friends. Thank you for watching, and see you in my next video. Bye bye.